Hi, welcome back friends. In the last video we have successfully added alerts or suite alerts in our login page, and now let's open our code editor. And here one thing more we can do with our text fields, and you can see here our text field codes, and here I can add a class which name is required. Okay, then the same required class I can use in the password field also. So let's paste, okay, and save the file, and let's open our index.php, then refresh our page. And now you can see if the user does not put the email or password, then it will ask please fill out this field. Okay, and for example, if I fill the email and if I click on the button, then it will show us a message, please fill out this field. Okay, then if I enter wrong password, then click on login button, then it will show wrong email or password or fields are empty. Okay, so that's why we used these classes in our fields, and we also can change our message now, wrong email or password. So let's remove this. Okay, I hope you got this. Simple things I just added in this code. Okay, now let's try again, and you can see wrong email or password, and if I put here right email or right password, then you can see login is successful. I hope you got this what I have done in this short video. Simply I just added the required class in our text field codes. So see you in next video.